guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about gifts to give your significant other or a close friend of yours. Since Valentine's Day passed, I've come up with a few DIY Valentine's Day gifts, but I think you could give this to a loved one at any time of the year. I think if you love someone, you should show them how much you love them every single day of the week or every single day of the month, you know. You want to show that person that you love them all the time. So I came up with these little gifts for you guys to do. They're pretty simple, pretty easy, but they're really, really cute. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get on into the video.
Alright, so for this first DIY, you're going to be needing a mason jar or any jar, some craft sticks, any colors of your choosing of Sharpies, and a black thin mark. What you're basically going to be doing is writing down any day idea you have down on each stick. So I started off with going on a hike and then continued on there with all the other ideas that I had. I made sure to kind of give them a category, so nature ideas, romantic ideas, or food date ideas, because this will help correspond with the colors of the Sharpies later on. So what I did was, for every idea that involved being outdoors, I used a green Sharpie, and then I used the pink Sharpie for any romantic date ideas, and then I used the orange Sharpie for any food date ideas. To make the jar a little bit more festive and quick and easy, I just put some saran wrap from this Valentine's print over the jar and just tucked it in, so it made a cute little design. Then you just stick the popsicle sticks inside and that's it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and you can pick out any date idea for the day if you guys can't think of anything or you just want to try it out. For this next DIY, you're going to be needing these stickers I got at Target, a mason jar, and then a pen. You totally don't have to use these stickers, but I thought they were very, very helpful since we're going to be using something like this anyways. These stickers say I hurt you because blank, and what I did was just filled it in with the reasons why I would love somebody. This will make anybody smile and make them feel truly loved if they know each reason why you love them. After that, I just peeled off the stickers and I placed them all over the mason jar. You could totally cut them out and not use them as stickers and place them inside of the mason jar and kind of create the I love you because that way, but I did it this way just to decorate the jar and make it a little bit more festive and a little bit more cuter. After that, you can go ahead and fill up the jar with some candy that your boyfriend loves, and I'm sure he'll greatly appreciate it. I know I would if I was given a jar full of snacks that I enjoyed with some love around it. For this next DIY, you're going to be needing a piece of paper, some dish soap, any color paint of your choosing, and a paintbrush. We're going to be creating a Valentine's version of a lottery ticket, except you're not going to be winning money, you're going to be winning love and kisses and massages and anything you guys choose to put on the lottery ticket. You guys can totally create this however you want, which is the most amazing part because I believe, you know, putting the time and effort into a gift makes any gift special. It doesn't have to be store-bought, it can be DIY just like these. And you can add as many hearts and as many scratch-offs as you would like. To help create the scratch-off effect, you're going to be combining some dish soap and the colored paint together. And you're just going to mix that together until you can see the color through the dish soap. You don't want the dish soap to be the main color, you want the paint to show up. After that, you're going to take a white crayon and you're going to scribble on top of the hearts. So this gives us a nice base and won't mess up the wording underneath the hearts once you scratch it off. Then you can go ahead and put that soap and paint mixture on top of the hearts. And don't forget to let this dry. You might want to do a second coat because it can be a little bit see-through. That's what I did and it made it look 10 times better. Once it's all dry, your partner can now go ahead and scratch off any heart and reveal what is underneath.
Alright guys, that was it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below which DIY was your favorite. Are you going to give this to someone for Valentine's Day, a late Valentine's gift, or maybe next year's Valentine's Day, or just because you love them when you show them a little bit of love at a random time. I think surprising someone is always super cute, so hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to get more content just like this. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Bye guys!